12 laps.
That was the deal.
10 starters. Looking good, Douglas. Way to
Brandon goes right on the outside. Tipped it over there. The car went whoa. They're all screaming at him. What? They're all screaming at him. Hope you clap for him next time. Well, no, he T-boned her there and T-boned her again.
We've completed 6 laps. We're just at the halfway mark.
I have no idea why.
Car 55, I think, is your lead car.
Stand here and do nothing for 5 minutes.
Even splits.
Come along with 55, Alicia. 55. Net 32. We have completed 6 laps. Net 32. Come along with 42, Brandon. 42.
Actually, you think
you should be there.
Yeah, I think you should put him there.
62, Jeffrey. 62, Jeff.
You should be in the
Just because, like, he could get a choice.
26, Brandon McGinnis.
Not last.
Bad though. 44.
Probably because he was practicing.
Number 23. Okay, Douglas. Anytime you're ready, Dougie.
Tell them to slow down, they'll have one more together.
5. Brandon McGinnis 6. Early Garden.
Might win this game.
Ladies and gentlemen, car number 55, Alicia Rozicki, your unofficial race winner. This, of course, is Alicia she just learned how to drive the standard 2 weeks ago, so she's doing very well.
She's not nice. Give him the finger to a 17-year-old.
Is that right? And she trained out here on the speedway. Good for her. Anyway, Alicia Rozicki, we're going to get her out of the automobile. It's her first win, her first trophy, and I don't think she'll part with that too quick. But anyway, we'll give her a fine round of applause when she gets out of the automobile. Once she takes her helmet off and fixes up her hair, puts on some lipstick, a little rouge on her cheeks. Of course, she's talking to Dougie now. Dougie gets all the informal information. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a fine round of applause. Alicia Rozicki, your unofficial race winner.